11 tips for ultimate budgie care. Great for beginners. Owning a budgie can be fun and rewarding experience for anyone willing to put in their depth to properly care for the new feather friend. It's always important to do a little research before making the commitment to own a parakeet, as you want to make sure you're able to provide the best possible home for them. The following tips will ensure you are on the right track to raising a happy and healthy budgie whose company will you enjoy for many years to come. Choose the right cage. Before even bringing your new budgie home, you should have a suitable cage all set up and ready to go. The most important factor when choosing the right cage is that it provides adequate room for your budgies to walk around comfortably and fully flapping flaps in its wings. Don't forget you will also be putting toys and accessories inside. Getting the largest cage possible is ideal, though with a single budgie, the standard small cage size is fine. Also, make sure the bars spacing is sufficient. Cages with bars no more than a half an inch apart are recommended. You wouldn't want them getting stuck between the bars or squeezing through tripscape, and that could be possible, and it's harm too. I will put this at the end of the video so you can read more. Thank you for watching.